What happens if I accidentally pull the fire alarm?
It seemed that somebody pulled the pull station and activated the fire alarm, resulting into the fire department going to that building, but it was a false alarm. We had a lady that the fire alarm was going off and she doesn't know what's going on. She kept resetting the fire panel, but it kept going off. We told her the only way for that fire alarm not to be active all the time, first just do silence, and then usually the fire panel tells you a description of what's active. In that moment, it was a fire pull station in the stairway. We're gonna go check that out for you. It seemed that somebody activated the fire alarm, but it was a false alarm. Went back to the fire panel and we reset the system, and that's when it went to normal.